Hi, my name is Carlos Maisonet, Golf Paradise Tour President. Today, Carlos Crespo, our instructor, is going to show you how you make a fade with the driver in windy conditions.
Hi, I am Carlos Crespo, golf instructor. Today we are here at the wonderful Trump Championship course in Rio Grande, Puerto Rico. Today what I'm going to do is to show you how to hit a fade shot into the wind, left to right shot, you know, like a fade shot. One of the first things you have to do is to set it up, the ball in your left heel. Second thing you do is, when you hold the club like an inch shorter, take your normal stance position, take your position with your body, 3/4 back swing, swing through the ball, in the line your feet are, and finish. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it in a full motion. If you do it that way, that's going to help you to hit the ball left to right into the wind in a windy condition.
Enjoy the video in Golf Paradise Tour channel.